Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your host again, Stephen, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I uploaded a video because I run into some kind of problems with my computer. First of all, my hard drive failed. The hard drive redoing the whole thing. Actually, I was actually halfway on finishing the video. With that out of the way, let's go to our video. As much as possible, I want to thoroughly review the shoe before I publish a review, or before I call it a review. If I can't, then it's just gonna be some kind of a first impression video, like first impression. By the way, I have my 5 categories on. I have my rubrics on reviewing a shoe. My first category is the purpose. What's the purpose of the shoe? Is it good? Is it great for its purpose? Using the shoe for playing ball or playing other sports. The second is the materials and the build quality. How good the materials was used in the product. How good the product was made. You can see some scuff marks already, or some glue stains here and there, or some creasing here and there as well. Third are comfort. Is it comfortable to wear? Is it good in your feet long term? Will it give you enough cushion for your feet? On the fourth category is actually a bit of subjective. We have the style. It's actually subjective in all sense. So, how good the shoe looks. Well, that's just based on my opinion also. Based on my review, I think. And then the last, we have again another subjective part. That's why I put those two in the last. They were not the least, but you can assign different values on each category however you want. You can value price over any other things, or you can value the purpose above all things. Well, actually, that's the last thing. That's my 5th category, the pricing and availability of the shoe. Is it exploding in resale value, or is it doing bad in resale? Or now, to be honest with you, I was not able to wear the shoe since it's a size 6.5. I can't fit a size 6.5. As much as possible, I want this channel to be free from bias, and I just want an honest and straight opinion. I don't want to publish videos that are not good, or that are not really being honest with you. So yeah, just being honest with you, I was not able to wear. So some of the categories, I can't give opinions on them. Okay, looking at the shoe, the brief history of the shoe, I believe this was retroed 6 times, or this is the 6th time that it was re-released. I don't know all the dates, but I will put the dates in the screen. As you can see, the color is blue. You might think that, how can Michael Jordan wear this shoe? Actually, he didn't. He was not able to wear the shoe, and ironically, this is one of the most popular shoe, if not the most popular, Jordan 13 colorway, the Flint. Now, first off, looking at the shoe again, I was not able to wear the shoe, so I can't give you any of my opinion regarding about the purpose. Let's just say that it is built for basketball. You might expect some good traction here and there. And we have the materials and build quality. You can see that we'll just leave the design of the mid panel for the next category. Now, the materials on the mid panel is good. It's a good synthetic material, but it's not the best. It's not gonna blow anything out of the water. It's a durable material, but the rubber on the toe box is just doesn't speak quality. Like, there's just something about the leather, especially in the toe box, that's not really that good. I mean, overall, the materials of the shoe looks good. I don't see any glue stains here and there, and no creasing out of the box. Inside the shoe, the lining is soft. It's like a cloth of something. I don't think it's breathable. Now, the build quality of the shoe, it's sturdy, but I have seen reports that they can break a lot earlier than expected. Maybe it's a case-to-case basis. Maybe you just got a bad pair. I will give this, on the build quality, an average, a 7.5. Now, we can go to comfortability. I was not able to wear the shoe, so I can't say for sure how comfortable it is to wear the shoe, but I just gotta note one thing. It doesn't have any vents. Maybe in the tongue of the shoe, there is some kind of vents in there, but really on the front, on the side, there's not much vents here, so I don't really think it'll be comfortable, especially in a hot, humid climate like ours in the Philippines. It's really hot, so. But again, that's not my opinions, that's just my observation, since the shoe lacks vent holes. We're moving on to the design. Again, I will not rate comfortability and the purpose since I was not able to wear it. Again, I said it four times again, 4 times in a row. I just want to be clear about that. On the style of the shoe. Now I can say this is one heck of a shoe. It's not as good as the collaborations. I know it is a very subjective topic, but it cannot be one of the most popular shoe if it's not good looking, right? Of course, we have this reflective panel, as you can see in the video. That mid panel, that's the thing I was talking about earlier. I said we'll go to this part later. That reflective material is just a great touch. Overall, look at the shoe. Even if it's not reflective, it's gonna look good on you. I think it's gonna look good on me, or it's gonna look good on you. And then adding a reflective material on it, it's just like putting an icing on top of the cake. Like, perfect. You can wear it. Can easily wear it. Or can you? I don't know. What do I know about fashion, right? I know this is subjective, so it's up to you. I'm just saying that the reflective material, you may argue about that in the comment section below, but just don't be rude in the comment section. That's all I'm saying. Now, looking at the pricing and the availability of the shoe as of now, it's looking like it's above 50 retail. It's above $50 above retail, so it's not really that bad. It's hovering around $230 depending on your sizes, and also includes the shipping, the cost. The pricing looks good. If you want to start your collection with this shoe, this is probably one of the go-to shoes that you can get. Now, did I give a rating on the style? I would give it a 7.5 also. It's not the best. It's not bad. It's just great. It's just good. Good to great. Now, on the pricing, it's probably just gonna be 8. It's not at retail, but it's just above the retail, so I can give it an 8. Now, overall, what can I say about the shoe? If you're looking to build your collection, it's a great pick. Look, I'm just saying here that it's not hyped as the other shoe, or it's not as limited as the other shoe. The pricing is good enough for me to buy. I can recommend this shoe to anyone. All I'm saying here is that you can never go wrong with this purchase. So I think that wraps my thought. Now, if you're interested in buying this shoe, this shoe is a size 6.5 US. So if you're interested in buying this shoe, just comment your intent on buying this shoe down below, and I will privately message you. I think you can get this for retail $9,445 here in the Philippines. That $9,445 does not include the shipping, so you have to pay for the shipping. And you just have to contact me in the comment section down below. And please buy this shoe. I can't give this to you for free because I don't really have the money for it. And as my channel being as small as it is, I can't sponsor a giveaway. I think it's the best possible. It's the best way I can give back to my viewers, if I have any. If you don't want to buy this shoe and you still want to support me, you can head down to patreon.com. The link is in the description down below, and it's gonna help the channel a lot. And thank you for watching. This video is sponsored by Tough Chick. If you're an active person and you want a gym clothes, the link's in the description if you want to check them out, and I suggest you check them out as well. Thank you for dropping by, and I hope you like this video. We also have a lot of videos on the side, so if you want to watch these videos on the side, you can. It will help the channel a lot. This is your host, Stephen. Over and out. Stay safe.